Christopher, what happened? Look at me. What happened?
Shh.
Come here, Christopher. What happened? Look at Mom. What happened right there?
The baby hatched and it spilled.
Who was in the fridge?
I was.
Who put the egg on the floor?
With the let's put egg on the floor.
Who did it?
Chris did. You did. No, you did, Chris.
Who hatched?
Chris did. I was not in that egg. I was opening it and we had food.
And what happened, Christopher?
And we wanted to make pancakes for you to feel better.
So the egg got on the floor because you wanted to make pancakes, or because the bird hatched? What happened?
The bird hatched, and I saw it hatch right in the house.
Right in the house? Well, where's the mama bird?
Right in there. This real. Mama bird. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Guess mama bird. That's mama bird. That's mama bird.
No, Mom, I'm not kissing mama bird. Don't touch any more eggs. Put the eggs back.
I got a daddy bird.
No, I don't care. I don't want you to play with the birds anymore. Stop kissing the eggs. We got to clean this up.
We don't need the